I'm studying mechanical engineering. I did my undergraduate at Clemson in mechanical engineering as well, and I'm now working for Boeing.
In the Charleston area, many engineers and computer scientists are interested in honing special skill sets. Our courses are offered both live in a traditional classroom setting, but most of our classes are offered in a live, synchronous video format, so that the professor is there in the classroom or up on our main campus. This allows us to offer a large package of courses.
Having that in-person connection has been the biggest benefit for my experience thus far with my master's. Continuous learning is something that I hope to apply to my career throughout all of life, and starting here at Clemson in Charleston.